transport system is an integral part of smart city, the vision of smart city. What are the plans of Delhi Metro? Since another corridor is also underway, so can you tell me the status of Delhi Metro Rail in tune with the smart city?
Actually, if you really see the scheme of smart cities, which is being projected by Government of India in the Ministry of Urban Development, then you actually see that mobility, especially sustainable mobility, is a very important part of the entire scheme. See, the way the cities were designed earlier was that there was a more focus on road as a means of transportation, but that is not so at present times, in which transportation has actually become a multimodal, in which metro is one of the integral public transport system, because the public transport system is built by governments, but then there is a lot of gap which is called a last mile connectivity, which is actually filled in by the private sectors like the cars, the taxis, the scooters, the rickshaws, or the non motorized transportation. So, of course, Delhi Metro would be playing a very important role, because, as far as metro transportation is concerned, it is a role model for the country, and they have really done very well. And in fact, their phase 1 and 2 was completed much before the time. However, in the past year or so, many new trends are appearing, in which, as far as transportation is concerned, there is a total breakdown between the ownership of the transportation, and there is more focus in sharing. As a result, there will be less traffic on the roads, and uh, whoever people who will be driving those vehicles will be more trained, and there will be less accidents, and less parking space will be occupied by these vehicles, because there is a process of sharing in transportation which has been observed for the first time.
Is it the okay? Are you talking about the metro sharing of transportation?
I'm talking about the entire transportation scenario, because metro is one of the major players in it. But until there is last mile connectivity, the system, which still has to be plugged in, will be done by the private sector or by the specialized buses which may be run by metro to give them the last mile connectivity.
Okay, these buses are generally called as hop-in services.
They can be any. Like there's a company called Ola who has actually systemized the scooter rickshaws, which is one of the most economical method of traveling short distances. But it was a very unorganized sector. However, uh, by a private company backing them, that unorganized sector has also been trained and organized in a better fashion.
Okay, so this is under process, the plan which you said.
This is being done at a private level,
Okay.
not by the government.
Okay, is it in confidence with the government? Are they taking up this?
So it's pure business,
Okay.
a pure business and public convenience.
And what about the extension or expansion of the Delhi Metro Rail service?
Yeah, it's taking place in Haryana, it's taking place in Noida, because the mandate of this is to go into the NCR. But now there are a lot of issues like land, which has to be bottleneck, and of course the high construction costs,
Yeah.
and the technology as well. Although I feel that since metro has been under construction since quite many years now, and there are a lot of contractors and vendors who have become very conversant with handling metro work, which was not there earlier before metro came to Delhi.
So now the modern metro rail services are also underway in Hyderabad.
Yeah, different places, and uh, in the consultancy division of Delhi Metro, uh, many of the DPR, detailed project reports, are prepared under their guidance.
So, like it is when is it likely to be completed? So people are waiting.
Actually, there are different bottlenecks at different places, but where they are not, they are proceeding very fast. And some place the testing is going on, and some place completion is going on.
And in coordination with the Delhi Police or NCR Police, is Metro Rail Corporation of Delhi trying to ease the traffic congestion that is occurring in some particular cities?
Definitely, wherever there is vehicles, wherever there are people who are traveling from their home to offices or elsewhere, the traffic police and all does come into picture, because eventually the road safety is their
Yes.
responsibility.
Thank you.